In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Preloader screen in Framer. A preloader is a simple full-screen layer that appears while your page content initializes, then gives way to the main experience. It helps set expectations, keeps things feeling responsive, and gives you a moment to reinforce your brand. Let's build one right inside your project. Start by opening your Framer project, then head to the Insert menu in the top toolbar. From there, choose Layout and select Frame. This new frame will become your preloader. Click on the canvas where you want it, then use the highlighted controls to make it cover the entire viewport. If you see a second highlight prompt, confirm again so the frame sits exactly full bleed. In the right-hand properties, you can adjust background color and alignment. A solid brand color or a subtle gradient works well. Keep the contrast high so any loading message is easy to read. Open the Insert menu again and add any elements you want inside the preloader frame. This could be your logo, a short loading label, or a simple shape that you'll animate later. Use Insert as often as needed until the layout feels balanced. Keep it lightweight. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Switch to the Layers panel to verify the preloader frame is at the very top of your stack so it sits above your page content. If needed, drag it to the top. Return to the Insert menu as you refine, then open the Pages panel to confirm you're working on the correct page that should show the preloader first. If your project has multiple pages, this quick check prevents surprises later. Head back to Layers whenever you need to fine-tune order or grouping, and use the Insert menu to place any final touches. To keep things organized, click the layer name for your new frame and type a clear label, such as Preloader. Clear naming helps you find it quickly in busy projects. Select the highlighted Preloader layer to confirm it's the one you'll publish with your changes. When everything looks right in preview, go ahead and click Publish. Publishing lets you test the full experience end-to-end and share it with your team. If the overlay feels too heavy, try lightening the background or shortening any messaging. If it feels too fast, give the elements a bit more presence by adjusting size or spacing. That's it. You've set up a clean, effective preloader screen in Framer, ready to enhance your page's first impression.